Journals are an important part of the law school culture. It's a big thing that we do here, and it's really exciting for a student to be able to be a part of making that work happen. So be a part of helping the author work through substantiation issues, making sure that the article makes sense and is organized in a good way. And especially if you're on a specialty journal in a field that you want to practice in, you're actually being on top of the legal scholarship in that field, which is really helpful for when you start practice.
These articles that are submitted through these journals are going to be used in court cases. They're going to be used in further academia. They could even influence somebody's opinion who's running for office. So these are the types of articles that are submitted to these journals that really influence the field of law. So I'm the managing editor of the Virginia Tax Review. The Tax Review is one of the specialty journals here at UVA. Other specialty journals include the Law and Business Review, the Journal of Criminal Law, and a lot more. And what a specialty journal does is it produces articles that are important to that specific area of law and backs up and progresses that area of law for future academia and for future information.
One of the reasons I joined the Virginia Journal of Social Policy and the Law is that I have always been interested in social policy issues before coming to law school. I was looking for things that either A, I was very interested in, or B, I wanted to learn more about, because it is a really great place for you to explore these topics, and you're able to not only explore them, but be part of making sure that they get disseminated into the public.
I joined a journal for both professional and personal reasons. I think professionally, joining a journal helps you develop skills that employers want to see. This includes like legal citation, evaluating arguments, and editing. On a personal level, I think that joining a journal allows you to read and evaluate scholarship that you're not necessarily seeing in everyday classrooms.
There is a great sense of community, I think, when you join a journal. It's great to be around people that think similarly to you or who think differently than you about similar topics. And I think another really interesting and great thing about journals is that you're able to kind of break beyond the section bonds that you've created your first year, because you are on a journal with 3 Ls, 2 Ls, and 1 Ls, and a lot of times it's a good way to kind of see the full range of different people at UVA that maybe you haven't been able to interact with before.